Hello everyone, see the solution. We have a question given that each of these statement below describes a hyperbolic function, reciprocal hyperbolic function and inverse hyperbolic function, and according to that we have to answer some question. Okay, see, in first part we have given, in first part we have to find d of fx with respect to dx. Okay, and it is given 1 minus x square, and we have to find fx from here. Okay, so what is fx? Fx is nothing but integration of 1 divided by 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now solve. Fx equal to 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1